Here, find the missing term. What is A? First term is A. A is equal to 2. Here, A is equal to 2. And that is a third term. First term is 2. Second term is blank. Third term is 26. Third term is A3. That is equal to 26. And A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That is equal to 26. Okay. And put this value A is equal to 2. Okay. Substitute the value A is equal to 2. 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. Therefore, 2D, that is equal to 26 minus 2. And 26 minus 2, that is equal to 24. 2D is equal to 24. Therefore, what is the value of D? D is equal to 12. And find the missing term. Missing term is A2, second term. Missing term is A2, and A2 is a second term. Therefore, A2 is equal to A plus D. A2 is equal to A plus D. What is A? A is equal to 2. What is D? D is equal to 12. And 2 plus 12, that is equal to 14. Therefore, second term A2 is equal to 14. Okay, clear? Second one. Second one question. Blanks 13. Blanks 3. Here first and third term is blank. Okay, first and third term is the missing term. Second and fourth term is given in the question. Okay, second and fourth term is given in the question. Here, second term is A2. A2 is equal to 13. And A2 is equal to 13 and fourth term. And fourth term A4. A4 is equal to 3. Okay, fourth term A4 is equal to 3. What is A2? A2 means A plus D. A2 means A plus D. A plus D is equal to 13. What is fourth term? Fourth term is A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equal A plus 3D, that is equal to 3. Solved by elimination method. Minus, minus, minus. Therefore, D minus 3D, that is minus 2D, is equal to 13 minus 3, that is 10. Therefore, what is D? 10 divided by minus 2, that is, therefore, D is equal to minus 5. Then we find the first and the third term. First term, that is A. Put this value A is equal to D is equal to minus 5 in resulting value 1. Okay. Put D is equal to minus 5 resulting value 1. A plus D is equal to 13. At D is equal to negative 5. Okay. Therefore, A plus negative 5, that is equal to 13. What is A? A is equal to 13 plus 5. And that is equal to 18. Then find the first and the third term. First term, that is A. A is equal to A1. That is equal to A is equal to 18. And the third term. Third term is A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is equal to 18 plus 2 into minus 5. D is equal to minus 5. Therefore, 18 minus 10. 18 minus 10, that is equal to 8. Therefore, first term A is equal to 18 and third term A3, that is equal to A plus 2D, is equal to 8. Okay, clear? Next one, third one. 5 blanks blanks 9 integer 1 upon 2. 5 box 9 integer 1 upon 2. Here first term and fourth term is given. Okay, and find the second and the fourth term. Here first term A is equal to 5 and the fourth term is 9 integer 1 upon 2. Fourth term A4. that is a plus 3d, that is equal to 9 integer 1 upon 2. 9 integer 1 upon 2, that is equal to 9 2 is 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. 19 by 2. Okay. 9 integer 1 upon 2 means 9 2 is 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Okay. And put this value a plus 3d is equal to 19 by 2. Therefore, a is equal to 5. Okay. A is equal to 5. A plus 3d is equal to 19 by 2. What is A? A is equal to already given. A is equal to 5 plus 3d is equal to 19 by 2. Therefore, 3d is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. 5 to the 5 to the 10. 10 by 2. 3d is equal to 19 minus 10 by 2. What is D? D is equal to 10, 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10, that is equal to 9 divided by 2, and 3 is in division form. So 9 by 2 into 3, 3 3s are 9. What is D? D is equal to 3 divided by 2. Okay. What to find? Here the second and third term is missing, and second term is equal to A plus 2D. Sorry, A plus D. That is a second term. A2. A2 is equal to A plus D. And what is A? A is equal to 5. What is D? D is equal to 3 by 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Therefore, A2, missing term A2 is 13 by 2. Similarly, A3, missing term A3, that is equal to A plus 2D. What is A? A is equal to 5 plus 2 into D. D is equal to 3 divided by 2. 2 cut, that is 5 plus 3, and that is equal to 8. Therefore, A3 is equal to 8 and A2 is equal to 13 by 2. Okay? Clear? Okay. Chalo. Find the missing term. First term is minus 4 and the sixth term is 6. First term is minus 4. Here A is equal to minus 4 and the sixth term A6. A6, that means A plus 5D. A plus 5D, that is equal to 6. Put A is equal to minus 4 in this term. Okay. A की जगह पे minus 4 रख लो. Therefore, minus 4 plus 5D, that is equal to 6. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. Therefore, D is equal to 10 by 5. What is the value of D? D is equal to common difference. D is equal to 2. Okay. Find the second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. Second term is A2, and A2 is equal to A plus D. A is equal to minus 4 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore, second term is minus 2. Similarly, for A3, A plus 2D, A is equal to minus 4. 2 into 2, that is minus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 0. Okay, that is equal to 0. Third term is 0. Next, fourth term. Fourth term is A plus 3D. A is equal to minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 3 into 2. And minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 4. A4 is equal to 4. And next, A5. A plus 4D. A is equal to minus 2 plus 4. D is equal to, what is D? D is equal to 2 minus 2 plus 8. Okay. And that is equal to 6. 1 minute. A plus 3 into 2 minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A4 is equal to minus 2, 0, 3 into 2. A is equal to -4. Yes, A is equal to -4, not -2. -4 plus 6, that is equal to 2. Okay, and A5 is equal to A plus 4D. -4 plus 8, that is equal to +4. That is equal to +4. Therefore, A2 is equal to, second term A2 is equal to -2. A3 is equal to 0. A4 is equal to 2. And A5 is equal to 4. Okay. So next one, fifth one. Blanks 36 or 38? 38 blanks and -22. Yes or no? Check it. The second term is 38 and the sixth term is -22. Okay? 6 or 7 term. Sixth term. Here A2. A2 is equal to A plus D, that is equal to 38. That is equation number 1. Okay? And sixth term, A6 is equal to A plus 5D, that is equal to -22. Solved by elimination method. Okay? Minus, minus, plus. Therefore, -4D is equal to 60. Therefore, D is equal to, what is D? D is equal to -15. 60 by -4, that is -15. Okay. So here A is equal to, A plus D is equal to 38. D is equal to -15. Put this value in equation 1. At D is equal to -15. Okay. Therefore, A is equal to A plus -15, that is equal to 38. So -15 transposing right side. Therefore, A is equal to 38 plus 15, that is equal to 53. Therefore, A is equal to 53. Okay, first term. Find out the third term. Third term is A3. A3 means A plus 2D. What is A? A is equal to 53 plus 2 into -15. 53 minus 30, that is 23. Similarly, A4. A4 means A plus 3D. A is equal to 53 plus 3 into -15. 53 minus 45, that is equal to 8. Only 8. Okay. And A5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. 53 plus 4 into -15. 53 minus 16, that is equal to -7. So here, first term A is equal to 53. Third term, that is 23. Fourth term 8. And fifth term is -7. Then sixth term is equal to -22. Okay, sixth term is -22. Okay. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 17? Here sequence is given and last term is given. Find the number of terms. Which term is number of term is, then we find the value of n. Okay, here AP 3, 8, 13, 18 up to 78. Therefore, A is equal to 3. First term A is equal to 3. What is D? D is equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to 5. 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. And last term AN, otherwise L, that is equal to 78. Then we find the value of N, number of terms. Okay, here AN is equal to 78 is already given in the question. What is the formula of AN? A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to 78. Put this value A and D in this form. A is equal to 3, N minus 1, D is equal to 5, that is 78. 3 transposing right side. Therefore 5 as it is into n minus 1, that is equal to 78 minus 3. 78 minus 3. Okay. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to subtraction 75 divided by 5. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 15 5 is 75. And therefore what is the value of n? N is equal to 15 plus 1 16. Therefore 16th term of an AP, that is equal to 78. So AP में जो 16 term होगी, that is a AP. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Here in this question, find the number of terms. Means find a. Here in this question, A is equal to 7. First term A is equal to 7. Common difference D is A2 minus 7, that is 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6. And the last term AN, otherwise AL, that is equal to 205. And N is equal to question mark, which find the number of terms. Number of terms means N. Put this value AN is equal to 205. AN, formula of AN, A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 205. What is A? A is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into D. D is equal to 6, that is equal to 205. Therefore 6 into N minus 1, 7 transposing right side, 205 minus 7, and 205 minus 7, that is equal to 198. Therefore N minus 1 is equal to 198 by 6. 198 by 6, that is equal to, therefore N minus 1, 33. Therefore N is equal to 34. Therefore 34th term of an AP, 34th term of an AP, that is equal to 205. Okay, N is equal to 34. Second one, here A is equal to first term. Here A is equal to 18. D is equal to 15 integer 1 upon 2 minus 18. That is 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18. And that is equal to 31 minus 36 by 2. And that is negative 5 by 2. D is equal to negative 5 by 2. What is AN? Last term AN is equal to negative 47. And what to find? N is equal to question mark. Okay. So substitute the value. What is the formula of AN? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is negative 47. What is A? A is equal to 18 plus N minus 1. What is D? D is equal to negative 5 by 2, that is equal to negative 47. Okay. Therefore negative 5 by 2 into N minus 1, that is negative 47 minus negative 18. Minus 18, that is equal to negative 65. Therefore negative 5 by 2 into N minus 1 is negative 65. Negative sign cancel out. Therefore N minus 1 is equal to 65. 2 multiply with numerator and 5 multiply with denominator. And 13 5 is 65. Therefore N minus 1 is equal to 26. Therefore what is the value of N? N is equal to 27. Therefore 27th term of an AP is negative 47. That is the final answer. Okay, clear? Here in this question, minus 150 is a term of an AP. So minus 150 is the last term of the AP. So here, see here. Here A is equal to first term and first term is 11. What is the common difference? D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 11. that is equal to -3, and an is equal to 150. 150 is the last term, minus 150, and find the number of terms n is equal to question mark. Okay, and the formula of an a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to -150. What is a? A is equal to 11. N minus 1 into -3 is equal to minus 150. 11 transposing right side. Therefore, n minus 1 into -3 is equal to minus 150 minus 11. Therefore, minus 3 into n minus 1 is equal to -161. Okay, and -160 minus minus sign cancel. N minus 1 is equal to 161 by 3. Therefore, n is equal to 161 by 3 plus 1. Okay, therefore, n is equal to 161 by 3 plus 1. But 161 divided by 3, that is not an integer number. 161 by 3. 161, 3 ones are 3. By 3, that is 164 by 3. Is not belongs to n, which is not exactly divisible by 3. Okay. Here n is equal to 54.66. That is not an integer number. Is not a natural number. Is not a natural number. Therefore, -150 terms is not an AP. -150 term is not an AP. Clear? In this question, find the 31st term. Means n is equal to 31. Find the 31st term of an AP. Whose 11th term is 38. A11 is 38. A11 is 38. And the 16th term, A16, that is equal to 73. Okay, here A31st term is question mark in this question. A11th term is 38. A11th term is 38. Therefore, A plus 10D. A plus 10D, that is equal to 38, equation number 1. And 16th term, A16 is equal to 73. A16 means A plus 15D. 16th term is 73. Therefore, A plus 15D is equal to 73, resulting value 2. Solve by elimination method. Subtract them. A minus A, that is equal to 0. 10D minus 15D, that is equal to 5D, is equal to minus 35. 38 minus 73, minus 35. Okay, minus 5D is equal to minus 35. Therefore, D is equal to 35 by 5, that is equal to 7. Okay, D is 7. Put this value A in equation 1. A plus 10D, that is equal to 35, at D is equal to 7. So, A plus 10 into 7, that is equal to 38. Therefore, A plus 70 is equal to 38. What is A? A is equal to -32. 38 minus 72, 70, that is -72. And what to find? A31. If we find any term, then first we find A and D. सबसे पहले कोई भी टर्म फाइंड करनी हो तो हमें ए और डी की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी पड़ेगी. ए और डी आ गया एंड सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. A31 मीन्स A plus 30D. A is equal to -32. D is equal to 7. -32, 37 are 210. 210 minus 32. That is equal to 170. Therefore, the 31st term of an AP is 178, and that is the final answer. Okay? Clear? Here, in AP 50 terms. Total term is 50. Third term is 12. Here third term is 12. Third term is a plus 2d, that is equal to 12. And the last term is not a 29 term. Last term is a 50. A 50, that is equal to 106. A 50 means a plus 49d, that is equal to 106. That is an equation number 2. And equation number 1, a plus 2d is equal to 12. Subtract them. 47d, that is equal to 94. Therefore, d is equal to 94 by 47. D is equal to 2. Put this value d is equal to 2 in this equation. A plus 2d is equal to 12 at d is equal to 2. Therefore, a plus 2 multiply 2, that is equal to 12. Therefore, a is equal to 12 minus 4. Therefore, a is equal to 8. Okay, therefore, first term is 8. What to find? 29th term. A29. A29 means a plus 28d. What is a? A is equal to 8. 28 and d is equal to 2. 8 plus 28 to 2 is 56. Okay, therefore that is equal to 64. Therefore 29th term of an AP is 64, and that is the final answer. Okay.